Imagine a place where the sun burns at a lethal 48 degrees Celsius.
A barren, unforgiving ocean of rolling sand dunes stretching for 70 kilometers, where nothing has survived for millennia. Now, imagine pouring $35 billion into this exact spot to build the largest, most advanced machine human beings have ever constructed. Welcome to Dubai's new global gateway. We are looking at an absolute engineering triumph rising straight from the desert sand.
This is the world's largest airport, a mega structure designed to handle an earth-shattering 260 million passengers a year.
It is exactly 5 times the size of Dubai International, DXB, and it is still growing fast. Featuring 400 direct gates, pure seamless luxury, and the total elimination of tarmac buses. The biggest the world has ever seen. To understand the pressure behind this project, look at the city's current reality. Dubai International is already bursting at the seams, squeezing 95 million passengers through its gates last year alone. The city is growing so incredibly fast that its current airport simply cannot keep up anymore. To solve this, they aren't just expanding, they are turning empty desert into the ultimate aviation hub. Meet Amelia, the lead civil engineer on this staggering $35 billion project. Even for her, the scale is hard to believe. Out here, the heat hits 48 degrees Celsius, but her team doesn't sleep until every single detail is perfect. First, they have to clear and level everything across 70 kilometers of raw desert. There are no shortcuts. Engineers demand laser-perfect alignment across kilometers so that 5 parallel runways can handle the world's heaviest jets. They are moving millions of cubic meters of sand under that brutal 48 degrees Celsius sun. The pressure is real. In this environment, dust control isn't just a protocol. It is life or death for the entire project schedule.
To land a 600-ton plane, the ground must be flawless.
They require exactly 98% compaction, or the sheer weight of those massive planes will crack everything. The team accepts nothing less. High-strength geogrids lock the shifting desert sand in place so the runways stay rock-solid forever. Every single square meter gets scientifically tested. With $35 billion riding on it, they leave zero to chance. Because the desert heat won't let them waste a single daylight hour, crews are running grueling 24-hour shifts. After 1 month of relentless earthworks, the impossible footprint is finally ready. The project doesn't wait. The logistical demands are so massive that the team had to build their own on-site concrete plants just to supply the 1.2 million cubic meters of concrete needed. Every single rebar joint is tied by hand so the edges can take the brutal punishment of constant takeoffs. The space has to be absolutely rock hard. The crews are out there sweating in 48 degrees Celsius heat just to make it perfect. We're talking millimeter accuracy across 4.5 kilometers of runway. One mistake, and the whole runway fails. The site is finally ready for the pour. Emilia remembers standing there when it was all just sand, and now, the transformation is breathtaking.
Once you start a runway slab, you cannot stop.
It is a non-stop pour around the clock. They use a special desert mixed concrete engineered to cure even in 48 degrees Celsius heat, preventing cracking under the insane desert sun. They treat every square meter like it's gold. The precision joints are specifically designed to handle the brutal thermal expansion of 50 degrees temperature swings. While the runways are rising fast, mind-blowing engineering is happening deep underground. Hidden from view is a massive, automated spine that will move 30,000 bags an hour without anyone ever seeing it. To support the colossal structures above, they drove deep piles to reach stable ground. These monster columns will stand 120 meters tall and lift the entire future of Dubai. And despite being in a desert, they didn't ignore the weather. They engineered every drain like their lives depended on it, ensuring that flash floods cannot close this airport. Runway 1's subbase is done. The backbone of the world's largest airfield is taking shape. High-tech lights are installed to guide the biggest planes safely at night. They built shoulders strong enough for emergency landings of fully loaded wide bodies, and applied world-class markings so they can safely handle over 100 movements per hour from day one. All 5 runways are built to the highest Code F standards for the largest aircraft on Earth, ensuring maximum safety for any overrun. Because with this budget and this scale, they protect every life. The desert is officially surrendering to human ambition.
Above ground, the terminal is a masterpiece. Imagine column-free halls stretching for 1.7 kilometers.
Imagine column-free halls stretching for 1.7 kilometers. It gives you chills just watching these beams go up. Every single joint is torque checked because failure is simply not an option here. These floors must support millions of footsteps every single day for the next century. Look up, and you'll see a massive wave-shaped roof echoing the desert dunes they started with, poetic and bulletproof. It utilizes high-performance solar glass that reflects 70% of the killing desert heat. Concourse 1 alone is already longer than 3 full DXB concourses combined. The bones of the mega terminal are complete, and the world is about to see something legendary. Passengers will glide through the airport on a fully automated, zero-emission people mover. To keep this giant alive 24/7, they built a dedicated power plant the size of a small city. It cools 2.3 million square meters of space, so passengers never feel the desert heat inside.
Next-generation screening is built in from day one, so security never slows the dream.
Fully automated self-bag drops are ready for the 150 million passengers expected in Phase 1 alone. This is pure 5-star aviation. We're talking first-class and business lounges with private gardens. Natural daylight combined with smart LEDs provides 40% energy savings while they battle the heat every day. Add world-class duty-free and dining that will make every traveler never want to leave. Inside, living walls and palm groves bring vibrant life to the desert they started with.
The seamless passenger flow ensures that 260 million people a year never feel lost.
They are putting on the finishing touches that will welcome the entire world with 5-star elegance, delivering comfort for every single passenger, because after all this work, they deserve it. Seamless, contactless border control processes people in seconds. It is a green corridor from the city to the terminal, turning the desert into a paradise. Direct metro and highway links mean the whole city will flow straight into this masterpiece. But it's not just about people. This facility features 12 million tons of cargo capacity that will power global trade for decades. Safety is tested to the absolute limit because nothing is left to chance. After all these months of sweat, the terminal is breathing. It feels alive. Phase 1 is structurally complete, and the impossible is standing right in front of us. The airside is now secure. The dream is officially protected. Ground operations are perfected with a zero mishandling target. Full turnaround tests prove that every second counts when you're this big. The $35 billion journey continues. With the ultimate 5-runway system, the sky will never be the same. They are thinking 100 years ahead, incorporating renewable power for the entire airport and a zero liquid discharge system, because in the desert, every drop matters. The scale just keeps multiplying. This is aviation history in real time. There's even space for 50,000 vehicles. Nothing about this project is small. They never stop. 48 degrees Celsius by day, floodlights by night. 35 billion never sleeps. A terminal that feels like a palace, built for the people of the planet. They built the backbone of global trade. Seamless city connections mean the future of travel just arrived. Sustainability at this scale proves they owe it to the next generation. Welcome to the future of travel. Smiles everywhere you look. The busiest sky on Earth is managed with absolute precision. Home of the world's best airline, and now, the world's greatest airport. This is Dubai's bold new chapter written in steel and glass. They didn't just build an airport, they built tomorrow through heat, pressure, and pure pride. The world's largest airport is now open for business, and the future just landed. A jaw-dropping masterpiece of engineering and unstoppable human vision. Every journey now begins in the most spectacular place on Earth. Integrated transport at its absolute finest, they connected everything. Connecting every corner of the planet in one breathtaking hub, the heartbeat of modern aviation is beating stronger than ever. It never sleeps. It never stops. This is the new center of the world. Pride of the Emirates reflected in the greatest airport ever built. A symbol of ambition realized against every impossible challenge. From one visionary city to the entire connected world. This is more than concrete and steel. This is pure human triumph. Here in Dubai, they don't just build projects. They bring impossible ideas to life. And the world cannot wait to see what they build next.